Well, we're going to take a look at some of the latest footage that has come out. If you're not aware, this will be the second part of these dramatic series of events regarding the two U.S. naval patrol boats that drifted into Iran's territorial waters. You're looking at some of the sailors there who were captured. Let's listen to what they actually said.
میگه که مقصد ما بحرین بود و مبدأ ما کویت بود.
از کویت می‌خواستن برن به سمت بحرین.
بله از کویت می‌خواستن برن به سمت بحرین.
خب چی شد که وارد آب‌های ایران شدن؟
What matter that you penetrated in Iran territorial water?
It was a mistake. That was our fault, and we apologize for our mistake.
میگه که این یک اشتباه بود. من اشتباه کردم و عذرخواهی میکنم. معذرت میخوام بابت اشتباهم. این یک اشتباه ایشون میگه که اشتباه و من بابت اشتباه معذرت خواهی میکنم.
روی صفحه جی پی اسشون آیا مشخص بود که وارد آب‌های ایران شدن؟
In your GPS, right? In GPS track, it is completely that you have penetrated to Iran territorial water?
I believe so.
فکر کنم اعتقاد دارم بله اعتقاد دارم همینه.
شما که دیدید چرا وارد شد؟
You believe but why you have penetrated to Iranian territorial water?
It was a misunderstanding. We did not mean to go into Iranian territorial water.
در اصل این یک اشتباه بود. ما اشتباه می‌دونستیم. نادونسته وارد آب‌های ایران شدیم. در اصل اشتباه بود.
چطور دستگیری از لحظه دستگیریشون بگن؟
How Iranian petrol boat capture you? Could you tell me since first how the Iranian petrol boat captured you?
The Iranian patrol boat came out when we were having engine issues and had weapons drawn, so we tried to talk to them until more boats came out and took us in.
شناورای ایرانی به ما نزدیک شدن. اونها هم مسلح بودن. ما تلاش کردیم که با آنها صحبت کنیم ولی خب آنها ما را دستگیر کردن.
بله. خب توی این مدتی که از دیشب تا حالا اینجا دستگیر شده هستن و توی این مکان نگهداری میشن وضعیتشون چطور بوده؟
Okay, Captain, during this time, right? During this time that you were here in this place, how was the Iranian behavior with you?
The Iranian behavior was fantastic while we were here. We thank you very much for your hospitality and your assistance.
میگه که برخورد ایرانی‌ها با ما خیلی خوب بود. واقعا دست رو در نکنه. ما سپاسگزاریم تشکر میکنیم از برخوردی که با ما داشتند.
مشکل خاصی نبود؟
Didn't you have a special problem?
We had no problem, sir.
ما مشکلی.
خب مقصد و مبدأشون کجا بود؟
Okay, could you tell me what was your departure and also destination?
Departure was Bahrain. Departure was Kuwait. Destination was Bahrain.
بله میگه که مقصد ما بحرین بود و مبدأ ما کویت بود.
از کویت می‌خواستن برن به سمت بحرین.
بله از کویت می‌خواستن برن به سمت بحرین.
Okay, looking at the latest pictures, this video is being played again, so you get an idea. We're going to play it probably later on in our further broadcast. But to give a summary, you're looking at the captain of the ship who is basically saying that they made a mistake. He's apologizing for what has happened, and the person interviewing him is also asking about the way he was treated, and he said that he was treated very well, as evident by what obviously the statements that were made. He said that the two naval patrol boats originated from Kuwait, heading to Bahrain, and then, of course, based on the details we have that's been broadcast, due to some faulty problems that they had, they ventured into Iranian territorial waters in the Persian Gulf, which is obviously one of the most sensitive waterways in the world. But there you have it, the U.S. captain apologizing there for what has occurred, and of course talking about the way that he was treated, which was very positively by the IRGC.